how to structure a book from start to finish, step by step, in about 5 minutes. Number one, book title page. You want to have a book title page. That's the page that basically you have a book title page and your writer, the author's name and whatnot. Okay. Second page is the copyright page. Okay, and you don't have to do it in exact order like this. Sometimes I switch it up and whatnot. Okay, copyright page, a basic copyright page, and you can search online, and there's websites out there you can purchase these kind of pages. Number three, table of contents. Okay, now this could be for non-fiction books. Now, if you have a fiction book, you may not have a table of contents. You skip right into the content, right? But if you have a non-fiction book, I want to include this as a possibility. Part of the book is table of contents. Okay. Number four is the forward. You want to put your own forward to this book or whatnot, or someone else's writing as a forward. You could put this, have the opportunity. You can skip this too. This is optional, but this is, you can put your forward here, or sometimes you can put the forward in number 2 and swap it with the copyright page. Sometimes you can do that or whatnot. You can switch it up. Number 5 is content. When I say content, that's like the main content, okay, of your book. Okay, the main portion, the main meat and potatoes for your book. Your book, essentially, the main content. So that'll be number 5. Okay, and number 6 is about the author. Okay, you want to have the readers have the opportunity to learn about the writer, the author, behind the scenes, right? For whether it's a non-fiction book or the fiction, people are interested in learning about you, or check out more books or more projects that you have. Okay, or if not, just learn about you. Okay. Number 7, recommended resources. This is applies whether it's for non-fiction or fiction, or low content, no content books as well. Recommended resources, you could put your top 10 selling books there, just the title, potential, that's an idea. Or you could put the top 10 resources related to your publishing business, brand, and whatnot. Okay, recommended resources, a link to get the books, a link to get the audio books, a link to get the paperback, hardback, and whatnot, right? And a link to an opportunity to write for you, or jobs, etc., etc. Recommended resources. So there you go, 7 tips about how to structure a book from start to finish, step by step, in about 5 minutes. Thanks for watching this video. This is actually, there's only 3 minutes actually, so like 5 minutes or less. Thanks for watching the video. I appreciate you. Click the link below the video. Check out my recommended resources about self-publishing.